Welcome to Lake Cooking Show. Today, cake. We're gonna need a couple of these. Some of that, maybe some of this. Step one is you're gonna need a mixing bowl. Oh, but Avery, I don't have a mixing bowl, I only have regular bowls. Yeah, me too. Alright, I'm gonna make do with a pan. Take 2 eggs, just fucking crack them in there. Uno. Dos. What you're then gonna do is spend 20 minutes of your precious time mixing this. I added half a cup of this and this after 20 minutes. Got this. In hindsight, this is seeming like a lot of flour. Oh no, it's nice. This is nice. Nice. Most important step of any ingredient is an amount of butter you better not let the missus know you got. Here I have successfully formulated what I believe to be cake batter. The next step is one that not a lot of people often think of, but it's very important, and if you don't do it, you might die. You gotta butter that pan, man. If you expect that cake to just not stick, because it's a non-stick pan, and we live in a perfect world. No! You must understand I do not have Pam, I don't have any non-stick spray, I don't even have real butter. All I have is synthetic butter, so this is a lubricated pan. The next step seems rather self-explanatory. We take this, and you just, oh yeah. Put it in there. The next step is another thing that I didn't think I'd have to explain to you, but this is a show, so yeah. You put it in here, like this. And then you do that. Also this thing, yeah, it's that hot, right there. Alexa, set a half-hour timer.
30 minutes, starting now.
Next, it's pretty simple. Open up after 30 minutes. Take the cake out. Put sugar on it, which I already did, and put it back in there because I suck at filming. Put it in your damn fridge. And then it's done. It's cake. Consume your sugar flour.